Berkshire Hathaway INC BRK-B is a multinational conglomerate holding company led by Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that represents the market value of 500 large publicly traded companies in the U.S. To compare the performance of BRK-B and the S&P 500, we need to look at their historical returns, volatility, and dividend yields. First, let's look at the historical returns of BRK-B and the S&P 500. Over the past 10 years, BRK-B has returned around 400%, while the S&P 500 has returned around 350%. This means that BRK-B has outperformed the S&P 500 by around 50 percentage points over the past decade. In terms of volatility, BRK-B has been less volatile than the S&P 500. The beta of BRK-B is around 1.2, while the beta of the S&P 500 is 1. This means that BRK-B has been around 20% less volatile than the S&P 500. Dividend yields are also an important consideration. The S&P 500 has a dividend yield of around 2%, while BRK-B does not pay a dividend. This is because Warren Buffett has historically preferred to reinvest earnings back into the company rather than paying out dividends. In conclusion, BRK-B has outperformed the S&P 500 over the past decade, with higher returns and lower volatility. However, the S&P 500 has a higher dividend yield. Ultimately, the choice between BRK-B and the S&P 500 will depend on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are looking for a low-risk investment with a high dividend yield, the S&P 500 may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a high-growth investment with a proven track record of success, BRK-B may be the better choice.